my sponsorship, sales, promotion to the Joe and Joe Hardware Company for being a part of Reinhardt Athletics. What it means to be a Reinhardt Athletics sponsor. There are many benefits of being a sponsor of Reinhardt Athletics. There is a list of assets that are available to you and your company along to add to your marketing portfolio to further yourself and your company. You can be involved with one of the most successful all-around college athletic departments in the state of Georgia. We have a true trophy case full of awards and accolades and accomplishments across the board in our athletic department. The list of assets that I was referring to are including but not limited to these things right here. The possibility of having canvas signage with your company's logo displaying at sporting events, something like that would cost you around $500. Social media mentions and features to be put on all of our sports. Social media pages would cost you around $300, and the ability to have meet and greets at your facility and your company with the coaches and the players would cost about $500 as well. What that would include would just be inviting people from the community out, to meet some of the let's say the football players or the baseball players or the basketball players that they come to watch all the time, and the coaches and take pictures and all that stuff, as well as exposing your business to more traffic, which is always a good thing. You will have assured loyalty with Reinhardt, which is basically us having an agreement like we're always gonna take care of you if you continue to take care of us. We're just that kind of we're that kind of school. We support local businesses and small businesses around the area, and we'll have collaboration on things like cups, wristbands, T-shirts, any kind of memorabilia or merchandise that we sell or give out at sporting events. We'll have the opportunity to have your logo on it as well as ours. So when people say, "Oh, you got this at a Reinhardt sporting event," it can say, "Oh, well, they were sponsored by Joe and Joe Hardware. Might want to check that out." So that's just a few things that have the possibility of happening through this sponsorship like this. Some of the demographics and statistics, like I said earlier, we have a trophy case. We have a vast trophy case full of awards and qualifications and trophies that are just from all around our athletic department, not just specifically in one sport. And it's a long-lasting award, track record of awards too, from when we even started sports through now. It just shows how successful our athletic department has been. Right now, there are currently 22 teams at Reinhardt University, which consist of 11 men's sports, 9 women's sports, 1 co-ed sport, and 1 club sport. Which truly, with a small school like Reinhardt, which shows that we take sports very seriously, and we have a lot of athletic students on our campus. Success on and off the field. The athletics department at Reinhardt has, like I said, a trophy case full of accolades and awards, highlighting every athletic team on campus. Just in the last 4 years, the football team has won 4 conference championships and made it to the national championship, although just falling short. Women's volleyball has won 3 conference championships. Women's lacrosse has won 2 conference championships, and men's lacrosse has won 4 conference championships as well as 3 national championships. It's needless to say that our school knows how to win and how to be successful and how to get our name out there. So anything that has our name on it has the possibility of having your name on it as well. When it comes to attendance to our sporting events, we have a high turnout across the board, but specifically I want to highlight the football program. Every year in the late summer, late July, early August, we have to bring in extra bleachers every season just so we have enough room for people to sit. And even a lot of times that's not enough. We end up having standing room only seating at every home game our football game at our football team has, because so many people from the community and family members from the players and a lot of our students come out to the games too. We only have the one side of bleachers, therefore we have to bring in extra bleachers to give everybody from Reinhardt as well as the visiting team a chance to have a place to sit to watch the game. And there isn't a bad seat in the house. And we have sponsorships, banners all up all over the football field during the season, and we keep that up throughout the year for soccer and lacrosse as well. So, like I said, if your business has signage up, it is going to be seen by a lot of people, therefore creating more traffic for your company. I hope this presentation has given you a lot to consider, and hopefully we can do business with you. Thank you.